is Jeanette Torres. I am a school social worker. I've been in my profession for 30 years as a social worker, 23 years as a school social worker. And what brings me back to working with Aspire High is that I have a love for children, a love, a passion for helping others, and it's a way to give back to our community and help young people shape their lives.
Well, my name is Jorge Cariga. I am the Assistant Director of the EUF program, Education Opportunity Fund at Kean University. I pretty much am very close with the director of this program, and I've always helped her out for it's got to be like 5 to 6 years doing this, because this aligns to what I do at my job. I love counseling and advising students. I love mentoring. Like, my job is to make sure that the next generation is prepared for the future. You know, like whether it's college, career readiness. So yeah, that's pretty much why I love this organization.
Hello, my name is Rashawn Sugars Jr. I'm a third grade teacher in Newark, New Jersey. I'm currently in my first year of teaching, and what brings me back to continue to volunteer is because this event was an event I participated in during my undergraduate career here at Kean University, and for me to now come back to impact the lives of students about what I currently do, working with students, it just makes it full circle, and I love speaking with students about what I love, so that's what keeps me coming back.
Hi, my name is Amanda Lopez, and I have a degree in communications. My concentration was in public relations, but I currently work in journalism. I work for Univision. So I have been a part of Aspire High for a couple of years now. This is my first time as a career representative. I'm really excited to be here and to showcase to the younger generation what it is that I do with my professionalism, with my career post-college graduation. What always brings me back is being able to help out younger children that might not know what it is to go to college, how to go to college. At one point I was them, so it feels really good to be able to be in a position where I can kind of give back and help others and tell them, like, if I did it, you can do it too. So it's very inspiring, and I think it's important to pour into the younger generation. So I'm excited to do that.
Hello, my name is Joanne Capan. I'm a career representative for marketing, and I've been a part of Aspire High for over 4 years. I used to host this program as an undergrad, and one of the reasons I wanted to be involved is because I love that we have programs like this that expose kids as early as middle school to careers, to opportunities, things that I didn't have before. And that's why being able to come here as a career representative, as a professional, for me it's a full circle moment, because now I'm able to be in the other side and be able to, you know, be that resource and that representation that I needed when I was a kid. So super proud, super excited to see how much we aspire as being part of this nonprofit, and yeah, thank you.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Victor Ben-Lees. I'm an alumni here at Kean University, and I'm actually an agency owner at Jack Life Insurance. So, this is my second year collaborating with Lillian Perez and Aspire High at Kean University for the Students Career Fair. And the reason I keep coming back is because we need representation within our communities. We need people that look like us, that come from where we come from, that have achieved things to inspire the children to aspire higher. And I don't say that to be funny, I say it because I mean it. It's very important for kids to see people that look like them, that speak their languages and come from where they come from, doing things and achieving things and building something special, making something of themselves so that they can see that they can also do it too. So thank you, Aspire High, thank you, Lillian Perez, and thank you to the parents, to the staff here at Kean, and to the students that go out of their way to make sure that they have hands on deck to make these events as special as they are. Thank you, God bless you, and make money smart moves. Money Smart Vic, follow me on Instagram. Peace out.
foundations. Our target audience is adults, teenagers, anybody with a sweet tooth for cookies and love for change. And our advertisement will be billboards, ads, commercials, and flyers. You will see us on your favorite TV shows.
We do Helping Hands Foundation, the Helping Hands Foundation. We help homeless people. Our advertisement would be through social media and flyers so homeless people can see them. We give out food, clothing, and hygiene things, and this is our love. Makes coding a lot easier.
My name is Jordan James.
My name is Ariel Garcia Torres.
My name is Collision in Welsh.
I'm Brooklyn Elise Evans.
My favorite part of the day would be walking around, getting to see the buildings and everything.
My favorite part of the day was just bonding in general. It was fun doing activities meeting people and just working together in general.
My favorite part of the day was the icebreaker before lunch because we got to know different people. That's in high school and in college, and we get to know different things that they do.
Same as Ariel and Calais, my favorite part was maybe the bonding activities we did and the stuff that we learned about the campus and stuff.
So what I learned today would be how much the dorms cost for each grade, I guess.
Something I learned today was just how people take things in different type of area in their life and stuff. Yeah.
One thing I learned today were the different kinds of majors that you have in college and more opportunities of what you can do.
Today I learned that you don't have to choose right away what your major is. You can wait a little bit and find out when you get to college.
Something I learned about the college mentors is why they chose this college and yeah.
Something I learned about the college mentor is just why they're here and how they bond with students from the program and things like that.
One thing I learned about the college mentors are they have a lot of experience and they told me about a lot of stuff about this college that would be useful to me.
Not really something that I learned, but something that I liked, that they all come from different places and that they all come together to bond, and it was really nice to see how they worked.
I'm Axel Lucas Hernandez.
I'm Angelina Nita.
And my name is Now Lucas.
My favorite part of the day was when we were presenting our businesses to each other.
My favorite part of the day was meeting everybody. My favorite part of the day was being able to interact with new mentors.
I learned how college life can be a little stressful or it can be really fun when you interact with people or when you're just by yourself.
I learned from college life and the dorms and stuff that most people seem to enjoy college when they live on campus other than living off. I learned that in the college life, they're most likely going to be your friends for your entire life rather than your high school friends where you only meet for 4 years.
Hi, my name is Elisa Rodriguez. I'm a student here at Kean University. I am majoring in psychology. This is my first time volunteering in Aspire High program, and the reason as to why I participated in this program is because of the help and the inspiration that we could give to all of these middle school and high school students.
My name is Michelle Mejias. I'm a student at Kean University majoring in business management. This is my first time being a mentor for the Aspire High program, and my favorite part was connecting with the students during my connection with the